Imagine accepting payments from customers all over the world without worrying about chargeback, high PayPal fees, frozen account, or payment dispute. Sound impossible? But what if I told you there is a cryptocurrency payment gateway built specially for e-commerce businesses and let you accept payments globally? Today I'm going to review a platform called Finassets.io, a B2B crypto payment gateway that claims to make global payments faster, cheaper, and safer for online businesses. But the real question is the Finassets actually worth it for online businesses, or is it another crypto payment platform that's making big promises? Before we talk about the Finassets, let's first understand the problem. If you run an online business, whether it's dropshipping, digital product, SaaS, or e-commerce, you already know how painful payment gateway can be. Most traditional payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, or bank transfer comes with several major issues. First problem, high transaction fees. You often pay 3 to 5% per transaction, and sometimes even more for international payments. Second problem, chargeback. Customer can easily file dispute, and many businesses lose thousands of dollars every year due to fraudulent chargeback. Third problem, account freezes. Many entrepreneurs wake up one morning and find their payment account frozen and sometimes holding thousands of dollars. And the fourth problem, limited global access. Some countries simply cannot access popular payment gateways. And this is where crypto payment system comes in. And one platform that's trying to solve all these problems is Finassets.io. Finassets.io is a crypto payment gateway designed for businesses and e-commerce platforms. Instead of accepting payments through traditional systems, businesses can accept payments using cryptocurrency. The platform designed mainly for B2B payments and online stores, allowing businesses to accept crypto from customers anywhere in the world. According to their website, Finassets mainly focuses on three things: low transaction fees, fast global payments, and high security. And one of their biggest claims is that businesses can process payment with fee as low as 0.20%. Compared to traditional payment gateways, that's insanely low. Let's talk about the major features of Finassets. One of the biggest advantage is very low processing fees. Businesses can pay little as 0.20% per transaction, depending on the payment volume. Another advantage is borderless payment. With Finassets, customers from anywhere in the world can make the payment without worrying about currency conversion, bank restriction, or international transfer delay. This makes it very useful for international e-commerce businesses. Finassets also emphasize the enterprise level security. Their system includes things like secure transaction processing, fraud prevention system, compliance verification. Security is extremely important when dealing with crypto payments, and this is definitely a critical feature. Finassets is built for businesses, which means it can be integrated into different platforms such as e-commerce stores, online services, and digital product selling websites. This system allows merchants to accept crypto payments directly on their website. So how does the system actually work? The process is fairly simple. Step 1, a customer chooses crypto payment at checkout. Step 2, a system generates a secure QR code or payment address. Step 3, customers send the cryptocurrency payments. Step 4, the transaction gets verified on the blockchain. And finally, step 5, businesses receive the payment. Because of the system is using blockchain system, payments are usually fast, transparent, and secure. And most importantly, there are no chargeback. Once the payment is confirmed on a blockchain, the transaction cannot be reversed. On their website, Finassets also mentions that connections with well-known platforms such as Binance, CoinMarketCap, and SumSub. These companies are widely known in crypto market. Another important aspect of crypto payment is security and compliances. Finassets states that their platform uses the advanced monitoring system, compliances verification, and transaction security layer. These systems help ensure that transactions remain safe and reliable. So what is the platform actually best for? Finassets could be useful for e-commerce stores that accept crypto payments globally. Finassets is also a great solution for iGaming platform, dropshipper who wants to avoid the payment dispute and chargeback, SaaS platforms like software businesses that want to accept crypto payments internationally, and creators who sell digital products, courses, membership, and software. Because crypto payments are borderless, this makes it much easier to sell globally. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Very low transaction fees, global payments without banking restrictions, fast payment processing, and Finassets is designed for businesses. Cryptocurrency may be confusing for beginners. Some customers still prefer traditional payment method. Businesses must understand basic crypto wallet. So while crypto payments are powerful, they do require some basic knowledge. Alright, so we have talked about what Finassets.io is and what feature it offers. But the real question is, how does the platform actually look and work from inside the dashboard. So for this review, I've logged in into the Finassets demo account and I'm going to walk you through the main section of the platform. So first, let's start with the Balance tab, which is the first and one of the most important page inside the dashboard. So as you can see here, this page shows all the complete overview of all crypto assets inside the Finassets account. At the top, we have the search bar, which allow you to quickly find specific cryptocurrency. This becomes very useful when you are dealing with multiple assets or large portfolios. You also have the option to hide the zero balance, which helps keep the interface clean if you only want to see the currencies that actually contain the funds. Now, if we look at the assets list, you can see that Finassets supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, and much more, as you can see. Besides these major currencies, the platform also supports multiple stablecoin and blockchain networks. For example, USDT on TRC20, USDT on ERC20, USDT on Polygon, USDT on BEP20, and same for USDC and other tokens. This multi-network support is extremely important for businesses because it allows customers to pay using different blockchain with a lower transaction fees. Each row shows three important pieces of information. First, you see the amount of the cryptocurrency you hold. Second, you can see the equivalent value in US dollar, which makes it easier to track the real value of your asset. And third, you have the quick action buttons that allow you to manage your funds. For each cryptocurrency, you have three main actions. Deposit button allows you to receive funds. When you click on the deposit button, the platform generates the wallet address or a QR code, which you can share with your customer or use to receive the payments. Withdrawal option allow you to send your crypto to another wallet or exchange. For example, if you want to move your funds to Binance or another crypto wallet, you can do it directly from here. Some currency also include a feature called Swipe. This allows businesses to automatically move funds from multiple wallets into a main wallet, which helps with accounting and fund management. Let's go back. At the bottom of this page, you can also see the total value of your all assets. As you can see, this gives businesses a quick overview of their entire crypto portfolio inside the Finassets. For companies processing large volume of payments, this type of dashboard overview makes financial tracking much easier. So overall, the balance page acts as the financial control center of your Finassets account. So here inside the transaction section, you can see the complete record of all financial activity happening inside your Finassets account. This includes incoming payments, outgoing payments, deposits, service fees, and other transaction activity. In simple words, this page works like a financial history of your entire crypto payment system. At the top of this page, you'll notice a search bar where you can find the transaction using transaction ID or blockchain hash. This is extremely useful when you need to quickly locate a specific payments. For example, if a customer asks about the transaction, you can simply search the transaction hash and immediately find it. You can also filter the transaction by time using options like today, last week, and last month. This helps businesses quickly analyze their recent payment activity. Another useful feature is here is an export option. With one click, businesses can export their transaction data. This can be helpful for accounting, financial report, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. For companies processing large payment volume, having exportable record is extremely important. Now if we look at the main transaction table, you can see several important columns. Each transaction contains detailed information including transaction ID, a unique identity for each payment, assets, date and time, type, status, amount, and so on. You can quickly see whether the transaction completed, processing, or failed. This makes it very easy for businesses to monitor payment success and detect any issue. And if you want more information, you can click on the detail button for any transaction. This usually opens the additional information such as full blockchain detail, wallet address, confirmation details, which help businesses verify the transaction more transparently. Now let's move to the next feature called Mass Payout, which is extremely useful for businesses that need to send payments to multiple people at the same time. When I click on the Mass Payout tab, a withdrawal window appears. This feature allows businesses to send crypto payments to multiple wallet addresses in one batch, instead of sending one by one. At the top, you can see the 3 payment options. Through addresses, this allows you to send crypto payments directly to wallet address. To fiat, this option designed for converting crypto into fiat withdrawal. Mass crypto transfer. This is where businesses can upload a file containing multiple wallet addresses and send payments to all of them in one go. For mass payments, you can simply upload a file containing recipient wallet addresses and payment amount. The platform supports up to 100 rows per upload, which makes it very efficient for handling the large payment batches. This feature can be extremely useful for things like affiliate payout, employee payments, partner commissions, or bulk transfer. You can also choose the network fees level depending on how fast you want the transaction to be processed. Options includes like low, medium, and high. Higher fees usually means faster blockchain confirmation. So overall, the mass payout features saves businesses a lot of time by allowing them to process multiple crypto payments in single transaction. Next, we have the Exchange tab. Finassets demo exchange section is currently under technical maintenance, so it cannot be reviewed at the moment. Now let's go back and let's take a look at the most important section of this platform is the payment gateway. Let's click on the payment gateway tab. This is where businesses actually connect Finassets with their website or online stores to start accepting the crypto payments. Inside this section, you can manage 2 things: checkout and invoicing. The checkout option is used for integrate crypto payments directly into your website checkout page, which is ideal for e-commerce stores or online services. The invoicing feature allows businesses to generate the crypto payments invoices and send them to customers. Below you can see the project section where each payment integration is listed. From here you can create a new project, connect your website URL, choose the currency, and generate the API key for integration. This key is what developers use to connect Finassets with the platform like websites, apps, or payment system. Overall, this section is essential, the control center for accepting crypto payments through Finassets. Next, we have the Automation tab, which helps businesses automate how their crypto funds are managed inside this section. There are 2 main options like Auto Swipe and Auto Convert. The Auto Swipe features allow businesses to automatically move funds from multiple wallets into the main wallet, which makes fund management and accounting much easier. The Auto Convert option can automatically convert incoming payment into another cryptocurrency, helping businesses reduce volatility and keep their fund in preferred asset like USDT or USDC. Overall, this automation feature is useful for companies that process large number of payments and wants to manage their funds without doing everything manually. Next, we have the Check Address tab. When you click on it, this pop-up will appear, which is a simple and useful security feature. This tool allows you to verify the crypto wallet address before sending the funds. You just paste the wallet address here. Optionally, you can add the tags and click on the Check Address. This platform then validates the address format and help ensures that the wallet address is correct before completing the transaction. This feature reduces the risk of the sending crypto into invalid or incorrect addresses, which is especially important because crypto transaction cannot be reversed once they are sent. Okay, next we look at the integration and API docs section. You can also access this section just by clicking here, which is mainly designed for developer or businesses that want to connect Finassets with their own system. Here you can generate the API keys, which are used to securely integrate with Finassets payment gateway with the website, app, or custom platform. The dashboard also allows you to create webhook URLs, which automatically send the real-time notification to your system whether a payment is completed or a transaction status changes. This makes it easier for businesses to automate the process like order confirmation or payment verification. And if you need a technical guidance, you can also access the API docs just by clicking here. So overall, Finassets.io looks like a promising cryptocurrency payment gateway for businesses. If your businesses deal with international customer or high transaction fees, switching to crypto payment system like Finassets.io could potentially save money and reduce payment issues. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this review video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.